Good morning, welcome to Planet Mojo. It's kind of a beautiful day out now that the wind stopped. It's been blowing pretty hard all day, and I spent most of the day shoveling out the other shed and over by the house getting the cars cleaned off. We had a blizzard last night. Well, it started out as an ice storm and then turned into a blizzard. Now it's time to clean this up. What a mess. This is actually the way the Amish left things. They left just a huge mess. Well, some of this was actually laying on the ground outside, and there was just all kinds of garbage everywhere. And they also left the scaffolding up outside. Cindy and I had to take it apart and bring it in here. We did a lot of prep work yesterday for the coming storm. Unfortunately, there wasn't a lot we could do about that gap at the bottom of the door. That's going to go away in the coming week. They're going to put these doors in, so this place will be pretty well sealed off. But right now, the wind blew the snow in. Oh, this is 24 feet right here, so it blew it in about 23 feet. And it's starting to melt a little bit. So I got to get things cleaned up. I don't have to clean it up 100%, but at a bare minimum, I want to get this tin off the floor and sorted. Some of it's going right to the dump. Some of it's going to get stacked up and used for something else. I need to get that stuff cleaned up, and I think I'll put that scaffolding back up. We'll see how far I get. It's getting late, and I can work under lights, but I have a bunch of other stuff I got to do as well. So first thing to do is tackle this tin. Okay, that is going to wrap it up for today. I got a bunch of other things I got to get done as well. Look at this. This has only been probably less than an hour, and the places where I shoveled is already dry in most of the spots. That's pretty cool. Okay, a lot more to do. When I have a bit more time, I'm probably going to have Natalie help me with this. I got to go through all this, and we're going to put all this stuff in a box and then take it to the dump, get it recycled. We're going to keep whatever we can. I'd like to put some tin on like a little chicken coop or something. I don't know if any of this is going to be good enough for it. I know some of the trim will be just fine, so we'll save a little bit of this, but most of it's got to go to the recycling. These are the big beams that we moved the barn / tiny house on. Those got to be cut up. Those are going to be burned in the stove in the house, or possibly in the stove out here. We'll have to see if I can get a stove or not. And then I have a ton of stuff that just has to be diced up. Some of it, like these concrete forms, are going to be burned outside, but the rest of this stuff is going to be burned in the house for heat. Got a few more things over here as well. Yeah, it's starting to shape up. The big push right now is to get some temporary electrical hooked up. I have a big light coming. I forget how many lumens it is, but it's really bright. Once these doors are in, it's going to be a lot easier to work out here, and we'll start doing the interior. So if you want to see that, make sure you subscribe and click on the update icon. If you have any questions or comments, make sure you put them in the comment section below. And if you share the video and or give it a like, it helps the channel out greatly. Thanks for watching and have a great day.